milyon-milyong mga estudyante sa mundo na nagtyasagang pumasok sa paaralan kada araw. Ang mga estudyanteng nakikipagsapalaran sa hamon ng buhay, pilit na pinapabangon ng kanilang mga magulang sa pamamagitan ng kanilang mga pangarap sa buhay.
As a student, naibaruan ko ang pakipag-socialize sa mga tao. Actually, I am an introvert person. Hindi ko lang sanay pag-socialize sa mga tao. And also, as a student, nagmamata ako sa alas 6 pala kay taga-Kalbayog man ako. So, kinanglan ito. And then, naibaruak sa iba-ibang subject because there's so many assignments na dapat and then being a student, dapat maging patient. Man, actually, financial problem. Pag estudyante ka, kailangan mag-depend sa mga.
Thank you. Thank you.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
May question lang, sir. Magtanong na ba, sir, na ano ang mga reaction sa mga estudyante?
Morning. Thank you, ako David Vega. The one who will answer this question. Actually, when it comes to my personal opinion, change is very constant because during our times, students usually, during our times, we are afraid of our teachers. When our teachers told us to make an assignment, we usually do it because we are afraid that there might be consequences when we go to our class. I even remember one of my subjects that was during in MAPI, grade 10. I have no assignment and I came late to my class because I am 20 minutes away from the school. So when I arrived, our teacher was already conducting her class. I could still remember that he told me to run in the campus for 5 rounds. I was shocked because I am not prepared during that time. But because I do respect the word of our teacher, I was being obliged to follow her instructions. I was perspiring after the 5 rounds, but it is just okay because that is a MAPI class. It is connected to our lesson. But nowadays, if I am going to compare the students, sometimes I walk in the aisle in our school and I notice that some of the students even just bang me. I don't know if that is intentional or not, or maybe they are just preoccupied during that days. But I could notice that we need to strengthen the value system in our education, I guess. And thank you to our secretary in the Department of Education that one of her initiative is to strengthen or to bring back the GMRC in elementary grades and values education in high school. So I'm not against change. Change actually is a good thing to do. Especially nowadays, we have technology which can help our students to make their studies easy. But sometimes we must also have to remember that we must also use those values. Do not exclude those values which are necessary in our development, because we Filipinos are known to be hospitable, to be funny, witty. We must have to continue those positive values that other nationality and other countries known as Filipinos.
Ang baon ko po sa isang araw ay 40 lang po. Hindi po siya nagkakasya kasi sa pamasahe, papunta doon, 10, pabalik dito, 10. Tapos yung snack po, minsan hindi na ako nakaka-snack kasi sa hapon kailangan kumain. Minsan hindi ako nakakapasok kasi kulang sa budget. Tapos sa pamasahe, minsan wala.
Alon sa sinim sa kadlaw, danay 50, danay na 30, isdak danay na kasulod kaya na oran, tapos nga hubas nga ni, makore pag biyahe. Labi na po basta mauran. Biyahe pa kang tikat, is mabera sa kami. Nako naman ako pa sa subject, kay kakore, ora-ora, dirak na sabay good.
Masakit din sa mga estudyante ang maiinit na silid-aralan. Ganon din ang mababahong palikuran na kulang sa mga tubig.
Sinasabing ang mga estudyante ng Napuro National High School ang may dangal at disiplina sa anumang larangan, ngunit mainan pa rin mga estudyanteng nahihirapan, pero patuloy pa rin sa paglaban sa hagupit dulot ng kahirapan. Tulad ng ilang mga estudyante, pauwi na at may gampanin pa sa kanilang tahanan. Ang buhay ng isang estudyante ay hindi laro at hindi lamang uurungan sa anumang oras na gugustuhin mo.
Ang mga estudyante ay nagsisiuwian na dahil may mga gampanin pa sa kanilang mga tahanan.
Mga estudyante nagsisimikap sa pag-aaral upang masaksihan ang kahirapan ng kanilang mga magulang.
At muli, ito ang aming dokumentaryo.